Hello! Welcome back to my channel where we are supercharging the iGo. I have made like 3 episodes, but I have not got around to doing nothing to them because I only have like 1 day to do what I want to do, and it's a bit shit. But we have bought another set of wheels for the iGo. I've sold the other ones on there because they weren't cutting it. I didn't like the way they looked. So these come up. I basically needed a wider tyre or wider alloy, like a 9J or some sort, but there's too many calculations to do with that shit. So I just saw a wide tyre, I bought it 4x100. I'm pretty sure the centre board's different to what it is on the car, but I'm trying to lean over so you can't see, because they're in the back here. But yeah, we're going to head down to the iGo now. The standard wheels are on it, it looks hideous, but I'm going to pull them off, put these on, and then we'll go from there. I'll catch you when I'm with the iGo because I'm about 20 minutes away. Right, where's this car? There it is. I need a new wiper. Stop. Stop. There we go. Why is the engine light on? That was never on. Right, let's go. We need to get this. Oh, my supercharger's here. Yes, we haven't lost it. This car's a shithole. I've got my rivet for my over fenders. Got the rivet gun. Got the little drill to make the holes. We're moving. We're making moves. We're pulling progress on this. Let's go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, look at that G-force. You feel that G-force? What, you're like here 1 minute, and then when you put your foot down? Oh my god, he didn't even clip my bumper in fully. What a guy. Say no more, new man. Didn't give a shit about this when he was, oh my god, quick release. I'll be very honest with you, I think we may have messed up. I may have messed up. Those, I actually think I have messed up. I think we underestimated the space we had to put them on, because watch, you're right there, mate. Yeah, to be honest, they are fucking huge. And I'm gonna have to, oh no, what the but I was gonna try to put it on this side, but we've managed to get the back on, which is really surprised because I didn't really think it would go on, because it's got 20mm spaces and stuff. I thought it needed a lot more. Is it going on? Is it going on? Oh, it's even on! Is it gonna hit the back? That's what I'm concerned about. Match the holes. Up. Is it on? Is it on? Is it hitting? No fucking way! Good morning, pineapple. Oh my fucking days. That's sick. I bet you ain't got no turning circle though. Fuck no. No way. We'll drop this side in a minute, but I think is it going to touch the thingy, do you reckon? Yeah. That's right, they're getting cut anyway. I know when I turn around this corner, he's probably going to have it lowered. and it's gonna look fucking insane. But I don't know if he has. No, he hasn't. He hasn't lowered it. Yeah, go on. Is it touching that top strut? No, we've still got loads of space. Now is the test. Will the arches even cover it? Yeah, boy. Yes. Yes, that is literally fucking perfect. I don't know how I'm going to do this one though.
You gotta cut it and mould it and stuff in it, but...
We just look on the back to have a look. Look at the difference. Look at the difference.
He's doubled the tyre.
Look at that. Look at that. Fucking hell. Now technically one bit's out of the way, which is the wheels. We are literally jumping onto the fenders because if I don't do it today, that's another week or maybe more, and then I won't be able to get a chance to do it. So we're literally cracking on with the fenders now. We're going to mark it up. He's going to get the drill. We're going to mark it up, and then we're going to literally go zzz, 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 put the fenders on. Otherwise, it's not getting done. I'm telling you now. Right, so I've emptied out the whole arch, taken the wheel arch out, and I've marked my holes there, there, and there, and there, and there. So now we're gonna make a cut going all the way down there. What are you doing, man? Yeah, so let me just mark it where I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna follow it all the way down there. So you see my very faint screw line? That's where it's going.
Safety first.
Just